Dear BILT customers, I wanted to send you a personal note and let you know that you, your families, and your businesses are continually in our thoughts. We're also thinking about ways that we can better serve and support you in these very difficult times. One of the ways that we can do this is related to your customer support efforts. Now, my guess is most of your customer support team members are actually in their homes, and that means that we have to do more with less. I would like to offer to you, free of charge, the opportunity to learn how BILT is helping other companies support their customer service technicians or relationship managers as they work with your end customers. We have seen that not only does this improve the overall customer experience, but it dramatically shortens the amount of time that those calls take. At BILT, we're all about creating promoters of your brand. And if we can help you in this process and give your customer support people better tools so that they can support your customers, we are eager to do that. Please reach out and let us know how we can help. Thank you.